Hi, this is the code that set up a Telegram bot and interacts with a Firestore database and an external API to retrieve the movie data. The first step is importing the necessary modules. The module Node Telegram Bot API. This module is used to interact with the Telegram Bot API and create a Telegram bot and Firebase admin. So this is used to interact with Firestore, which is a NoSQL database provided by Firebase. And the HTTPS, this is used to for making HTTP request. So and a telegram bot token is provided and stored in the token variable. This token is obtained from the bot further, and we already know how to get the token from the bot further. Next, in Firebase admin SDK initialization. Here, the Firebase admin SDK is initialized using the initialize app function with the server accounts credentials. These server accounts credentials are obtained from a service account.json file. And next is the Firestore initialization. The Firestore database instance is created using the function. This instance, that is the DB variable, the DB will be used to interact with the Firestore database. The code sets up an event listener for the message event emitted by the Telegram bot. When the bot receives a message, it checks for the history. If it matches to the history, it enters into the function. To get the history in this code, we have to use the getTrading variable. We can retrieve our previous searched information stored in the Firestore database, and we can see all our searches there. Now coming to the code in the try block. Here the message represents the incoming message object. That is, the message represent the message that typed by the user or the message that entered by the user. And the match contains the regress match for the user's text. The code inside the handler uses the OMDB API to fetch the movie rating based on the provided movie name saved in the movie details to Firestore in a collection named movies. So retrieve and send the movie ratings from the Firestore. This event handler triggers when a user sends the command get rating to the bot inside the handler. So when we use the command get rating, we can get all our searches stored in the Firestore database. Coming into the catch blocks, so these are the error handling for search history retrieval. Proper error handling is implemented for retrieving the search history from the Firestore. If there is an error fetching the history, an error message is logged and the bot sends a sorry message that the something error is occurred and try again like that. And now let's see how to get the private key from the Firestore. We have to go to the Firebase console and log with our Google account. There we have to create or select a project. So in the project settings, we can find a service accounts there. There we can generate our key, our new private key button. So this is how the JSON file looks like, and this is the JSON file I used in this JS code. In summary, the code creates a Telegram bot that acts as a simple movie information lookup tool, allowing users to query movie details by sending movie names to the bot. It also maintains a search history for each user, enabling them to retrieve their previous search queries using the history command. So this is how the Telegram chatbot works. After running the code into the command prompt, we can see our chatbot give outputs to our queries. When we enter a valid movie name, it gives the movie name, year when it was released, and also including the rating. So when we enter a name which is not a movie or valid movie name and not present in the API, it gives a sorry message that something went wrong like that. And when we want to get the history, we have to use the get rating command to see all the searches we used.